Good, better, and best means the three levels of comparing quality.
Good means having the right qualities, being satisfactory, or producing a positive result. She did a good job on her science project by following all the basic instructions.
Better means of a higher standard, quality, or level of effectiveness compared to something else.
Adding a working volcano model made her science project better than her previous attempt.
Wow!
Best means of the highest quality, standard, or level of excellence, surpassing all others in a group.
Out of all the entries in the entire school science fair, hers was the best and won the first place medal.
The sequence bad, worse, worst means the degrees of comparison for something negative. Bad means having a harmful, unpleasant, or low-quality nature. It describes a situation that is negative or produces an undesirable outcome. The spoiled milk resulted in a really bad taste and made me feel sick all morning. Worse means a quality, situation, or state that is more harmful, unpleasant, or negative when compared to another bad thing. It indicates an increased level of badness. Catching a bad cold was difficult, but breaking his arm right after was much worse. Worst means the most harmful, unpleasant, or low quality, or the lowest standard when comparing a group of bad options. It is the extreme end of negative. After all the negative events, missing the deadline for the major assignment was the worst outcome possible.
Big, bigger, and biggest are adjectives to describe size.
Big means large in size. Extensive or substantial.
She bought a big birthday cake to share with all her friends.
Bigger means of a larger size than something else. More big.
This year's school festival will be even bigger than last year's. Biggest means the largest in size of all things considered.
Most big.
The whale shark is the biggest fish in the ocean.